Alright, so here again, we're using the same temperatures now to make a frequency table with intervals. Alright, so the first thing I do is I look at the smallest pieces of data and the largest. And it looks like it's 18 to 33. So if I laid those out, let's just number them 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. How many numbers do I what's my length of my scale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have a scale from 18 to 33 includes 16 numbers. Now you could have done it this way, go 33 minus 18, and you would get 15. Okay, the thing is, what you have to remember is you need to count the first number, so that's where you have to add one. So the total number of numbers in your scale, the total scale is 16 different units. So if we were to go 4 units apiece, so 18, 19, 20, 21, there would be one group. There would be one group. 26 through 29 would be a group, and 30 through 33. So that's the intervals we're going to create. So we're going to go 18 to 21, 22 to 25, 26 to 29, and 30 through 33. Now when you have a much bigger range from smallest to largest, I would suggest just doing the subtraction, adding one, and then figuring out how many do you want in each smaller interval. So I wanted 4, maybe you want 5, maybe you want 6. The width of each interval is going to be dependent upon the person who makes the frequency table. Alright, so here's our intervals. And then we want to, and here's our frequency. We'll just say FRE. So what we want to do is count up all the numbers, count how many times there are numbers between 18 and 21. So we go up to our table here, and let's just circle those. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 18 to 21, 18, 19. Looks like we have 3. Okay, looks like we have 3 right there. So we'll put 3 there. Now let's go look at 22 to 25. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there I have 5 pieces of data. Okay, now I have 26 to 29. 26 to 29. And let's see, 26 to 29. Looks like I'm showing 2. I have 28 and 29. And that leaves me simply with 30 to 33, which is going to be everything else, which would be 4. So that's going to be 4 pieces of data. Okay, so there's our frequency table. And then they're asking us to make a histogram for this data. So a histogram is simply taking this information, putting it into a graph. And the way this works is the vertical measurements are the distribution numbers. So we look here and we see, oh, 5 is our biggest one. So we could actually go 5 right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And in our horizontal axis, we're going to state our intervals. So here I would go 18 to 21. That would be one interval. Then I would have 22 to 25. Would be another interval, and you want to make these about the same width. Okay? And then I have 26 to 29. And finally 30 to 33. Okay? So 18 to 21, we had three numbers that were in that group. So we're going to build our bar all the way up to 3 and come all the way over to the axes. Okay? And then 22 to 25, we had 5. So this bar will go up to 5. And then we had 2 from 26 to 29. So we'd go to 2. And then we had 4 from 30 to 33. So we go up to 4 here. So that would be a histogram for that piece, for that data. Now, if they ask us to use the data to make a cumulative frequency table, all we have to do is go back to our frequency table here, and we're just going to add one more. We're going to go cumulative here, and what you do is you take your 3, bring it over, and then we're going to accumulate. We're going to do a running sum. So we're going to go 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. 8 plus 2 gives us 10. And then 10 plus 4 gives us 14. So this last number should match how many pieces of data that we have in our group. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It adds up, so we've done our cumulative frequency table correctly.